Good morning, students. Welcome to your science online class. I hope you all are fit and fine. This is part 2 of chapter Nutrition in Animals. If you haven't seen the previous video, then please go through it. In today's class, we will discuss about digestion in humans and buccal cavity. Students, what is digestion? So, the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion, or we can say changes of food into nutrients that our body cells use for different functioning. As this diagram is also showing that digestion starts from our mouth and completes at anus and involves many steps. So firstly, let's see what are the main parts and accessory parts of our digestive system. The main parts are mouth, food pipe, or we can say esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, while the accessory parts are liver, pancreas, gallbladder and salivary gland. These accessory parts add secretion and enzymes that break down food into nutrients. So let's see the process. डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस हमारे माउथ से ही स्टार्ट हो जाती है. टीथ की हेल्प से हम फूड को स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. सलाइवरी ग्लैंड सलाइवा प्रोड्यूस करके फूड को वेट कर देता है. अब ये फूड एंटर होता है फूड पाइप में या एसोफेगस में, जो फूड को स्टमक में लेकर जाता है, जहाँ पे फूड 3 to 4 आवर्स रहता है. स्टमक में प्रेजेंट एंजाइम्स इस फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं. नाउ दिस पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड एंटर्स इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज अप्रॉक्स 20 to 22 feet long, which absorb nutrients from the food. Liver and pancreas are connected with the small intestine, which breaks fat, protein and carbohydrate from the digested food by releasing enzymes. नाउ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की इनर सरफेस पे कुछ फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन होती है जिन्हें विली कहते हैं. अब इन विली से ब्लड वेसल्स कनेक्टेड होती है. विली फूड को एब्जॉर्ब करके ब्लड वेसल्स तक पहुंचाती है एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एब्जॉर्प्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज एसिमिलेशन. इन दिस प्रोसेस digested and dissolved food molecules transmitted to body cells by the blood. Last step is digestion. The food which is not digested by small intestine properly that enters in large intestine. Here water of undigested food get absorbed and solid food is stored in rectum, and from here it comes out as waste through the anus. So this was complete digestion process in humans. Now we will talk about buccal cavity. Students, look at this clip. Food is taken into body through mouth, which contains tongue, teeth and salivary glands. So let's discuss these one by one. First is tongue. Students, look at this picture. It is a muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of buccal cavity. It has small taste buds on its surface, and these taste buds help us to detect particular taste. Now, the main functions of tongue are to mix saliva with the food. Second, tongue helps us in swallowing the food. Third, it tells us the taste of the food. And last, it helps us to talk. Now, very interesting fact about tongue is, relative to its size, it is the strongest muscle in our body, and it is the only muscle that is attached on only one end. So this was all about digestion in humans and tongue. In our next video, we will talk about teeth.